So in this step by step, we're going to talk about modifying ranges for subtotaling. So in cell N17, come down to N17. This is the last equation we did in the last step by step. So if you notice, we manually put in our cell ranges here. So what we want to do, we want to change this. So we're going to keep, well, subtotal 9, comma, and we want to call this well, it's already called non-utility. So we can put using formula non-utility expenses subtotals, comma, utility subtotals, and press enter. Oop, name. What name do we mess up on? Non-utility subtotals. Utility subtotals. Oh, subtotal. It'd help if I put the right function name in. Alright, so the number didn't, the value, the end result didn't change, but we just used our named ranges to do this. So now we're going to click in cell B19. We're going to go down here and make some totals, some subtotals. So B19. So let's go up here. We're going to change the formula from sum Q1 expenses to subtotal 9, comma, Q1 expenses. Click enter. So we can see our subtotal, we can tell that our range isn't quite right. So we're going to go up here to name manager. We're going to go to Q1 expenses. We're going to edit that. And so what we want to do, we want to backspace, so delete it. We're going to put some new ones in here. So click cell B7 and hold the shift key and click D7. So we're just trying to get 1 quarter or 3 months of data here. Okay, and then control, we're going to go down to B16, C16, D16. So click OK. So that information should be up here. Click OK. In the name manager dialog box, click close. We did that. So let's click on the name box. Q1 expenses, and it should highlight B7 through D7 and B16 to D16. So now we want to create name ranges for quarter 2, quarter 3, and quarter 4. So I'm going to open the name manager and click new, Q2 expense. Then in refers to, we're going to take that out. So we're going to skip 3 months. I'm going to click on E7, click shift over to G7, then hit the control, go down to E16, E17, F16 and G16. Click OK up here. New. Q3 expenses. And up here we're going to click that out. We're going to go to the 6th month. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The 7th. So July, August, September. So we can do Shift, then click over to J7, and that gets all three of those. Come down, click Control, and then that should show up here. Click OK. And then we're going to do quarter 4, Q4 expenses. I'm going to take that out. Can move our little box out of the way. And then we're going to do October, November, December. October through December on both of those lines. Click OK. Close. So what we want to come down to B19. So it says subtotal, function number of 9, and Q1 expenses. So we want to copy that. Copy it all the way down to 22. But here's the thing. It retains the same formula. So you're going to go up here and change the name of the reference to name. Shouldn't have changed. Oh. Here. Inform. Okay. And then go up on your quarter 3 or Q3 expenses. We got to change Q1 expenses to quarter 3 expenses. Just do that all the way down because it's keeping Q1 in there instead of putting the appropriate Q4. So now we've done that. So now you can save this. And then we'll go on to the next lesson.